Hey guys, Happy Cultivator here, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Lasco Model 2004W 6-inch clip fan. What I have here is the Model 2004W 6-inch clip fan from Lasco. Lasco planet-friendly packaging. Consider using this carton again. And you know what? I will for a mail call. Could it be you? You guys do know I will be doing a bunch of mail calls in 2020. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. We have some packaging to keep it safe. We have one Lasco instruction manual, instrucciones importantes, manual de operación. And if you flip it over, you get the English important instructions operating manual. So if you're English or Spanish, you're good to go. You got the instructions. All right, there they are. Fairly simple though with these clip-on fans. We got the little clippy here. There you go. Then we got the fan right here. You say, oh, it's in two pieces. That's okay because this is very simple. This looks like this. If you look, there's two slots in there. You got two prongs. The prongs go in the slots. Fairly simple. That means I can put it either way that I desire. There you go, all clipped in. Now all I gotta do is put it in my 32 by 32 by 63 Topo Light tent. Remember, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.